exhaust back on the Mustang. Yeah, so come along with me. Alright, so to remove the exhaust, you have these clamps over here. They hold on the mufflers to the rest of the exhaust. They use a 13mm bolt. Just have to unbolt that and remove the exhaust. This clamp is connected to the axle backs, so it will be tricky when removing them. And you will need these for the new ones that you're putting on. So you will have to cut them off at the end. We'll just remove it right now. So here's a comparison of both exhausts beside each other, the stock and the aftermarket with the MBRP. But be careful when you remove these; they do weigh a bit. So be careful they don't fall on top of you. Alright, so we have the MBRP ones on. Now before we put the car down, we're gonna set it up to have a look if there's any exhaust leak. So what's up, guys? It's been a couple of days since we put the axle backs back in the Mustang. That's basically the end of the video. Alright guys, see ya. Stay safe out there.